Good morning. We're on the way to the
Shinagawa Station.
station to take the Shinkansen train to go to Osaka. So we're gonna take you guys to see the steps, and it's actually our first time after 8 days here. First time when I take it the Shinkansen, and I think it's gonna be cool. Very good experience. So we're gonna take it with us and show you the Shinkansen train.
So we made it to Shinagawa Station. It was 2,100 yen for the taxi, which is like $15 or something. Not bad at all. See how busy it is here on a weekday morning. We still got about an hour before the train we reserved, but so we're gonna just stop here at Midday, like a 7-Eleven, and grab some snacks and whatnot for our 2.5-hour bullet train ride down to Osaka. Well, we just got done shopping for snacks like a bunch of unsupervised 5-year-olds, didn't we?
We're gonna try everything in the train. We have like 3 hours, nothing to do, so we're gonna try Japanese crap.
And Shin
Hey
Osaka.
baby, we're on the
After leaving
Shinkansen.
Shin
I have my
Osaka,
Starbucks.
we'll be stopping
What
at
else
all
can you?
stations
I have
before
Starbucks, I have
arriving at
everything.
Okayama
Plenty
Terminal.
space, I can leave my chair.
Cars 1 through 4.
Oh, look at this. They even give you a little, take a little finger wipe.
Yes, we have suitcase and stuff.
Although, I don't think this was made for me. Are your legs being roller coaster?
I'm good. I left my chair back.
Chairs are really nice. These are the green card seats. They're what? A little bit more. Our 3-week pass was $150 more than the regular cars, and they are really nice. There's only 2 chairs on each side, where the normal cars have 3 on one side and 2 on the other, so they're nice and big. There's a flight stewardess, train stewardess on board. Looks like she has teas and coffees. I'm not sure if it's only for the green car. Maybe it's only the green car that has the stewardess.
I don't know, but my husband loves me and he bought me my cafe latte. I'm good watching the
City go by?
the city right now, but later on I'm gonna see the Fiji mountain.
Right. A lot of people on YouTube said to get seat C and D to sit on this side of the train so you can look at Mount Fuji as it goes by.
Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
In order to prevent COVID-19, please wear a mask and refrain from talking at the car.
You see Mount Fuji?
So we got the tickets on this seat so we can see the Mount Fuji, and now we almost missed it by eating
crazy.
and
It just
drinking.
disappears up there into the sky.
Yeah, and there it's clouds on top
I really wish we
Made
had
by-
time to go visit.
by it. Wow, it's huge though.
It's huge. You can tell it's a volcano too. Just look at the shape. It's like this perfect cone shape.
From Tokyo was like 3 hours train ride to go there, so we skipped it. Are you having fun on the train?
I am. I
Doing
got my phone. I got my Wi-Fi. I got a lot of room. Look at this. Tons of room.
And what are you drinking?
Having a beer. A little
What are you
BYO
eating?
beer.
What are you eating?
A bag full of shit that we bought from the convenience store.
When you go to Shinkansen train, you should get the pinto box and eat.
So we got a bento box. Cool.
Oh, what is that?
I ain't sure. But these are chopsticks.
We got chopsticks, so we're safe.
And then it opens like that. And your chopsticks also have a toothpick. You know, third chopstick, I guess.
You don't look to too impressed with your food.
That's a radish.
Okay.
Pickled radish. This.
It's a fish, isn't it?
I don't know.
You
I have
wanna
no
try?
idea.
You done anything? You a $20
I think-
pinto box?
I think it's a fish egg sack. The hard-boiled egg is okay. Hey, we made it to Osaka.
We're in Osaka.
Now we got off the Shinkansen high-speed train. Now we have to take the metro for a couple of stops. And really, we haven't had too much trouble in these metro stations. Just keep your eyes open and keep looking for the metro you need and pay attention to what platform you're looking for.
My problem is in the Shinkansen doesn't have a card like a credit card. It's just a paper ticket.
Yeah, the Shinkansen ticket
this
sucks. It's a
one,
little paper
You
one.
have to. This little paper is our ticket. We pay over $600 for one,
Yeah.
and
It's
if
your
you-
only proof that you bought the ticket.
right. And if you lose it, they don't replace it.
Mhm.
So I
Be
have a problem
very-
with that.
Very, very careful with your Shinkansen ticket. Make sure your wife carries it for you. So when you get to where you think is the right place for the metro, if you look across the tracks, there's almost always somewhere a board that tells you the direction. See the little arrows and where you're going. And here in Osaka, there's a little one for platform 1 and the M, and the circles always mean metro, close to the squares, which are the JR.
The good thing about Japan is I took Ben with me so he can take me all over because it's not that easy like he said it is.
So we just got to our room, the Holiday Inn Express Osaka downtown. Really nice clean bathroom. Oh my god, look at this shower. It's like 30 different knobs and sprayers from every angle. That should be nice. The room is a bit small. Looks a little bit like a hospital in here, I guess. Free complimentary water, hot water kettle, fridge, safe, even a dehumidifier. And pretty nice view of the city from up here on the 20th floor.
And we didn't ask for pajamas.
And they offered us pajamas when we checked in. We also noticed that the Intercontinental had pajamas available too. Must be like a Japanese thing. These toilets, we gotta go to this style in America. Unbelievable. I mean, look at this tech. Look at this. A butt washer, a front washer, a total washer, a dryer. Unbelievable. So we just looked it up. The shrine we just stopped at was Namba Shrine. Really cool. I love how these shrines are just like right in the heart of the city. Sort of reminds me of Europe, how you can find them right in the heart. Like you find Catholic temples right next to brand new high-rise buildings. But here you find Shinto shrines right next to brand new high-rise buildings. And you can tell that Osaka is definitely the place where the money comes. We've seen this is a Ferrari dealership, seen a BMW dealership, we've seen a Bugatti dealership.
These are so cute. And look what they put on this one. It's probably made by the kids in school, I don't know.
Looks like they're made by the school kids. I like that. It's like a community project thing. It's cute.
Very cute.
Big international brands.
Yes.
But we also saw some of this in Tokyo too when we went looking for those small little street shops, and all it was like Louis Vuitton and stuff, right?
Yes, it was expensive street.
And I'm sure this one is too. It's probably why everybody's here hanging out.
This place is very cute with a lot of lights and no boats right now, so we're just gonna walk and enjoy the view until we find a place to eat. We got to the big wheel.
You see the Don Quixote, little blue dude?
Yes, I see the Don Quixote, all tax free, and the cook on the other side. How much is it? How much cheese?
Chocolate, custard, mochi. I don't know what that flavor is. And vanilla, I guess that's
Mozzarella?
vanilla.
Do you pay on the machine? And you get a little ticket. And the
And you get
change.
your change, 500 yen.
And we got the ticket to go with the boat.
Is there grilled cheese?
It's very strange because it's kind of sweet with cheese, but it's very soft. Let me try more.
Is it good? So as we're walking around, we found this little riverboat cruise. It was 1,000 yen, which is about $7. Takes 20 minutes
Per person.
per person and goes up and down the river. So it should be fun. Good way to explore without walking.
So we're on the boat. Water right in front of this
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel. Yeah. And when we come back, we might take that one too, because that's what the tourist does, and that's what we are. Bye bye. Okay. ありがとうございます。はい。Okay. ありがとうございます。あと橋の上に行ってきます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
They're all different lucky charms for different things. Happiness will come back. That's cute.
I'm your lucky charm too, right?
Yeah, I keep mine right here.
Look at the feet, please.
Yeah, they got the little duck feet. This Don Quixote store is pretty cute. There's all the different little guys right there.
But we are going on the
Ferris wheel. We just bought our
Ferris
ticket.
wheel.
1,200 yen, which is $8. Like $8.
9.
Yeah, not bad. So we're in the Ferris wheel. Is this a good time to tell Chris that this is actually like a roller coaster and it keeps spinning around?
I hope not, because I don't like roller coasters. But I like the Ferris wheel, so I can go see the city from above. I like it.
A different type of Ferris wheel. It's like a big oval. It doesn't go around. So no, there's all sorts of bright lights in here. And you can see the crazy chef guy across the way. So while we were walking around looking for something to eat, we found something neither one of us could pass by. A bag full of French fries and some chicken tenders. And we were hungry and we knew we would like it. It's really good actually. Nice, freshly fried. Perfect.
So that's our appetizer tonight.
Maybe. We'll find something else to eat. I think we need to try some of those squid balls. So we stopped for some squid balls. It was super, super busy there, so we figured they have to be good. Some green onion, I think it's bento flake, pickled ginger. And there's some sort of like fried dough with octopus or squid. It was good. I would never guess that's seafood though. They're not bad. They're not bad at all. It's just they're a very strong flavor, I guess.
And it's not our taste.
And
We're not crazy
after
about
eating two of
seafood.
them, I was sort of go for it. All right, guys, that's the end of our night. We're walking back towards our hotel along all these beautiful Christmas lights that they just put up here in Osaka. Tomorrow we're going to Nara, which is famous for the deers that will just come up and eat with hands and all the temples. Did you have fun tonight, baby?
Yes, we like Osaka. I actually think I like Osaka a little bit more than Tokyo. And people here don't wear the mask.
Not nearly as many right now,
So,
but it's being phased out pretty quickly here. So the day started with us taking the Shinkansen bullet train for the first time ever. Great experience. Checked into the hotel, checked out downtown a bit, and now...
take the wheel.
Oh yeah, that was fun. The Ferris wheel.
And then the boat. And our night is over. We are tired. And I'll see you in the next one.